guys, we're back. The worst part of the storm is currently happening, so I'll be able to film for a couple more minutes. But yeah, lightning's getting more intense. Thunder's definitely getting louder. Storm's getting closer, it's almost right on top of us. Oh, hi Grandma, I'm filming a YouTube video right now. It's the lightning, the great thunderstorm of June 18th, 2019. This is part 2 of the video. I just want to keep it on the down low because making YouTube videos eats up all the data on my phone. But yeah, we're gonna get a lot worse thunder. I don't know. Sounded like it was a meteorologist now. Oh, maybe I am.
Where do you press now? Where do you enter?
Okay, cool. Can you hold the camera for me?
No, I'm not holding anything.
Okay, well, just click. As you can see, storm is getting much worse. It's getting super loud. But yeah, my arms are getting super wet from the rain. But yeah, the thunder is gonna get a lot worse. Oh god, my arms are getting soaked. Oh, wind's really picking up. Holy crap. It's getting super windy, guys. Whoa, did you hear that? Here's, let me... Ha! Oh my god! This is getting intense! Yes, it did! Holy crap! Oh, I'm getting soaked, guys. I'm just gonna close the window. Don't worry. No water on the floor. It's because it's all over me. Well, there goes the camera quality. But yeah, I hope you liked the video, guys. That was the that was the great thunderstorm of, not great thunderstorm, but yeah, that's a thunderstorm.
Arthur, do you know how many we had?
Yes, Grandmother. I am trying to film a YouTube video. Well, yeah, that's about it. So, yeah, just like and subscribe for more videos. I'm trying to get to, well, ad revenue subscribers so I can start making money. I'm just gonna end the video at 420. Bye, guys.